Greetings everyone, friends. Welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to use Binance Futures on the computer, on the web. I bet it's the simplest video you'll ever see. I will explain it in a simple way, but you will even learn the tricks. Let's move on to our video without wasting time. My friends, I am Monte Crypto Contu. I create content about cryptocurrency opportunities for you on YouTube. If you like such opportunities, you can subscribe to our channel. Today's topic is how to use Binance Futures. The roadmap of our video will be as follows, friends. First, we will look at Binance's futures activation. Then we will look at how to quiz, how to pass that stage. Then we will open long and short trades. We will show them all live. I will show the leverage adjustment part, friends. And you will learn what is the difference between isolated cross. At the end of the video, we will look at frequently asked questions. First of all, if you don't have a Binance account, I leave a link in the video description that allows you to make $30. You can send Binance from there. It also gives you a commission discount. Now I'm explaining this part for those who have a Binance account before. Look, there are futures here on the screen, friends. This is features in English. I click on USDM futures. When you click here for the first time, look, here is a page where you can enter a reference. My futures reference is 10%. If you become a member with this reference link, you get a commission discount. At the same time, we have our Monte Crypto Conto analysis page. We bought TI here at $2. We bought Sol at $62. We recently bought Manta. Here, friends, you can enter my group where I share various posts. You also need to fill out the form below. And you support the various aids we do. Now we wrote 10% here, and then we said activate the account. Friends, first of all, we will solve the answers to the quiz questions. I show you the answers directly from the bottom up, and it is to your advantage to translate them into Turkish and learn them. If you are wrong, nothing happens. They already show the correct answer in green. Then we press Trade Futures. And now our account is activated, friends. Now we have activated Binance Futures. We need to make a deposit. We came to the top right side, friends. Look, here are our wallets. I clicked on the USDM Futures wallet. Now I need to transfer money to Futures first. I click on Transfer at the top. Look, as of here, I'm going to transfer Tetra from the Spot wallet to my Futures wallet. How much do I want to transfer? I'll transfer $1,000. Do not trade futures with more than 10% of your total assets. I clicked confirm. Now friends, you need to pay attention to this. In futures, look, this is on my wallet right now. I have $80 in my spot right now. I have $1,000 in my futures. Even if I lose all the money in the futures, nothing happens to the spot. We need to know that. So I'm back in futures and look, now I have $1,000 available in this corner. And when I open a position here, I actually divide it by 4, so I don't open each position with more than $250. Now let me first explain the logic of leverage. For example, you have $100. Your technical knowledge is good. You have developed yourself. But you want to trade bigger. You want to increase the risk. And you want to increase the reward. You can come and open 5x leverage to trade $500 with $100, friends. And you know what happens? You make a profit and a loss as if you were trading $500. This is what it means. For example, I opened a 5x long with $100 and Bitcoin went up. When it rises 20%, I earn 100% from 20% times 5x. So I double my money. This is the good side of the business. There is also a bad side, and that's this. What happens if the asset falls 20%? 20% times minus 5x. I lose all my money. This is what we call being a leak. You can't be a leak in spot. But friends, there is leakage on the futures side. Now we understand the logic of leverage. If I think it will go up, I open long. If I think it will go down, I go short. That's the meaning of both of these logics. These are contracts. So we're not buying a coin here. We are actually buying a contract. And here, guys, there's an important concept. Isole and cross. I'll explain the meaning of Isole and cross to you like this. If I open a position of $250 in Isole, for example, I'm in the Bitcoin USDT pair right now. Let me explain the logic of opening a market of about $258 so that I can enter the order quickly. Now look, I had $1,000 available here. Look, I'm opening a position for $250. I opened my position. Look, my available amount dropped to $740 and my position is opened. Here's what Isole means. Even if I lose this position completely, my available money here is not damaged. So I can open isolated trades inside futures. That's what Isole means. If you are just starting out, you can open Isoles. Now here's what you need to pay attention to. My liquidation price is $33,500. So I have a high liquidation price in Isole. Because I'm only trading with a margin of $250. Look, I'm trading with a margin of $258 here. If Bitcoin drops $33,500, I lose these $250. Now let's open it in cross. Look, I'm closing the position directly from the market here. I'll explain this in more detail in a moment. I've closed my position. See? My money is back here. Now let's open it on the cross. Again, I opened a position of $250. Look, it says $739 available right now. This will constantly move. Because according to the profit and loss of my position, it will move constantly. And my liquidation price this time was just $31,000, $33,000. Now it's $900,600. Because why? Although my margin is $258, when the price comes here, I will lose my available $738 here. So friends, for starters, I find isolated more logical. When you get a little bit more advanced, you can open a position from cross. Now I think you understand the concept of isolated and cross here. You can adjust the amount of leverage here. You need to set it before you enter the position. 5x or 10x or 2x. My advice is don't enter positions bigger than 5x. Now I've closed my position again. I'm back to isolated. Now let's understand the transactions a little bit more now that we understand the events. Now I have $996. This is how much I want to enter the trade, and I enter the trade at this cost. So $242, or let's increase it a little bit. I'm going to open a position of $250. If you want to enter at the price that you see on the chart right now, you can enter in the market. But we can also say, either I don't like this price and I'm going to come to the limit. If Bitcoin drops to $39,000, it means open me a position of $250. I click the buy long again. See, I can't enter my position anymore. I have an open order. As you can see, my order is open and my available amount here has decreased again. If one day tomorrow you want to transfer your money from futures back to spot, you must not have any open orders. Otherwise, you cannot transfer this money. The market immediately opens my position at the current price. The limit gives a target. When that target is reached, my position opens. As you can see, my position is not open now. Let's cancel this one too. Now I'm going to open a position again. I'm going to open it on the market. I've opened a position of 5x1. Now let's read this position. What does the position mean? I opened a Bitcoin long position of 5x. My total volume is 0.030 Bitcoins. So when you say my margin of $250 times 5, I am trading as if I am trading with $1,250 of Bitcoin. I opened my transaction at $41,737, friends. It is now at $41,738. If Bitcoin comes to $33,500, I lose my position. $250 is the size of the position. This position of mine, which is now called PNL, has a loss of minus $0.37. This corresponds to a total loss of 0.15%. Now let's look at closing this position, friends. There is an event called reversal. I can go straight from long to short. 41,750, I can say that. If 42,000, I can say close. At that time, if I press the limit, if I put an order for $42,000, or if I press the market, it closes directly where it is, friends, or there is a black stop loss. So our stop loss logic. I'm tightening on this. If Bitcoin sees $43,000, I say take profit and I make $37 profit. If Bitcoin drops to $41,000, I close my position and I lose $22. I press confirm and confirmed it again. Look, I have two open orders entered here. I entered orders in two different directions for my position. You can see this as a stop loss. This is how stop loss logic works here. I'm canceling my orders and I'm back in my position. Now friends, let's talk about this. Look, there is funding and countdown here. Every 8 hours, a funding fee is charged to keep Bitcoin's futures price and spot price in balance. The difference is so that if the gap widens too much, the price will come closer together. Right now, for example, 0.01 means plus because there is no condition in front of it. And those who open long positions pay this funding fee to those who open short positions. Every 8 hours. If it were negative, the shorts would pay the longs. So let's look at how it is calculated. This is how it is calculated, friends. The size of my position is 0.03 Bitcoins times the current price of Bitcoin, 41,709 times 0.01 divided by 100. Now every 8 hours, I'm going to pay a funding fee of $0.12. That's what the funding fee means. Look, he has his own calculator here. From this calculator, you can calculate your P&L, your target price, how much liquidation you can have. If you dig a little bit, you will see that it is nice and practical. Now we have explained everything from A to Z. By the way, the video you are watching right now is an award-winning video. Two friends who like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the tweet in the fixed comment earn 300 liras each from us. Now let's take a look at opening a short. Friends, I closed this position from the market and I want to open a live short, which means this. If I think the market will fall, I will open short. I'm here again. I'm going to open a position of about $250. I'm going to open it from the market. This time, I'm going to short the clock. Short means short. Look, this time my Bitcoin price, my entry price is $42,693. And as the price goes down, I'm going to make money. If the price goes up and hits $49,812, all of my money, all of my $249 here, melts, friends. This is the logic of the short, friends. Right now, for example, futures are being discussed. This is what I am saying, leverage can be reduced. But we need shorts to protect ourselves when the market is falling. In other words, futures are necessary. We need to be able to sell short. Futures are a financial instrument. Let's not forget that. I closed the position in the market. Now I want to talk to you about this. Are there risks? Let's look at the risks in futures. Friends, the risks in futures are very high. You can lose all your money. So don't transfer more than 10% of your money in sports here. Divide your positions into 4 and open them. And if you like gambling such a bet, stay away from futures. Never trade with borrowed money, because it gives you stress. It affects your psychology, and you will lose. Please do not ignore these. Futures have risks, friends. Remember this. Now, friends, let's look at transferring our money back. I've got 9,902 here right now. I come to this wallet, I click on USTM Futures. Let's say I'm going to transfer half of it back to my spot account. I click transfer again. This time, guys, look, I've changed it here. I'm going to transfer from futures to spot. How much do I transfer? I'm going to transfer $500. When I say confirm, you can transfer as much as you want. I can transfer my money back to my spot wallet from this section. This is asked a lot. Hodja, I wanted to write your ref link when I entered, but that screen didn't come up. This means this. It means you have been a member with a reference before. Then friends, there is nothing to do. If you do the quiz questions wrong, nothing happens. You mark the right one again, and you can open the term. There is a demo account, friends. Check yourself in a demo before you actually open it. Will you really win or lose? You can activate futures accordingly. Thank you for watching. Your support is very important in such videos, friends. You can support us by liking the video and writing comments. These comments are feedback for us in the next video. And if you have any questions, we answer them one by one. Hope to see you in another video. Goodbye.